Within the framework of the European Preparedness project, detectors have been developed to measure radioactivity using unmanned aircraft systems, commonly named drones. These systems are used to map soil contamination levels in the aftermath of a radiological accident. In these scenarios, drones are used to plot high-resolution maps of the contaminated soil. They measure radioactivity levels by flying close to the surface with no radiological risk to first responders. In addition, this technology is cost-effective. These detectors have been used to both map radioactive contamination in soil and to locate the source of it. The Technical University of Catalonia has participated in the implementation of two systems. The first is based on a gamma spectrometry detector, and the second on a source location detector. Specifically, in the first system, scientists from the Technical University of Catalonia Institute of Energy Technologies and from the Icarus Research Group have mounted a detector based on a sodium iodide crystal 5 centimeters in diameter and 5 centimeters high on a DJI Matrix 600 Pro drone. The system was calibrated by carrying out measurements at different heights with a cesium-137 source, which has been designed for this purpose and authorized by the Spanish Nuclear Safety Council. The calibration was completed in a former uranium mine with a high level of natural radioactivity, representing significant radioactive contamination. The Technical University of Catalonia developed the RIMA-SPEC software, which allows monitoring the drone parameters in real time using 4G technology, and also permits the monitoring of soil contamination levels by using heat maps to identify the areas of greatest radiological risk. In addition, the software is able to quickly identify the radionuclides in the soil by means of a so-called waterfall plot. In this flight, cesium-137 can be identified. The second measurement system, developed by researchers at the Technical University of Catalonia in collaboration with the Josef Stefan Institute of Slovenia, is a hotspot location detector mounted on the DJI Matrix 600 Pro drone, which determines the location of a radioactive source. Once the source has been located, the instrumentation leads the drone to it. The RIMA-SPEC software includes the methodology to determine the position of the radioactive source and to locate it on a map. When the system detects a radioactive source, the drone stops and indicates the calculated positions of the source on the map. The drone then flies to the source and continues its measurements in order to attain higher accuracy and precision. This system can be especially useful in scenarios where a radioactive source may be partially shielded by dispersed objects after an accident, for example, an explosion or a fire in a facility with radioactive sources. The data provided by these measuring systems enhances the information available to decision makers in the event of a radioactive accident, and in addition, eliminates radiological risks for first responders.